To me, being a woman in STEM means to be strong, curious, and want the world to be better and do things to make it happen.
Being awarded this scholarship represents everything I've seen. The strong women in my family fight for. I chose engineering management because studying the schools, I could improve my engineering, I could improve my leadership and management skills, and live a fantastic experience in the UK.
To be a woman in STEM for me is a challenge because I'm an example for another woman, so it's a challenge for me because it's a field that I have a lot of men. Being a woman in STEM for me means to be very brave.
The advice I give for other women is never give up.
Follow your dreams, be brave, be curious, and do it.
So we just need to believe in ourselves and everything that we want, we can have.